Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and spoilers. Welcome to June. Woo! I have something pretty special for you today. We are kicking things off strong for June. As many of you know, I try and do it almost every month. Last month was one that I didn't do because I was sick, but we're trying to give away an eyeshadow palette every month, as well as many other giveaways that I've got going on. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. But without further ado, the eyeshadow palette that we are giving away for the month of June is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. I absolutely love the Natasha Denona formula. I mean, you guys, this is just amazing. So this is mine. This is what I created the looks with. I do have a brand new one for you that we're going to be giving away. So look in the description box. It'll tell you what you need to do. Biggest things are be subscribed to the channel throughout this video. And actually, let's take that back. I think we're going to do things a little differently where we're not going to have the letters pop up. And I'm just trying to do a little experiment and see which gains more views. I guess if we have the letters pop, you let me know. Do you like it when the letters pop up and it's kind of like a game trying to figure out what the word will be that she spells that we need to put on the secret word, or do you just like me to tell you what the word is? Let me know that in the comments down below. For this one, I'm just going to tell you. But that'll be later on. You'll have to pay attention. So this is a $48 palette. Like I said, this one is mine. This one, not touched, not swatched, nothing is yours. It's going right back right now, back in the box, because I don't want to get the two confused. Like I said, the Natasha Denona formula is absolutely one of my favorites. They're very easily blendable. The shimmers, you can kind of see this is what I have on my eyes today, are just beautiful. You want to go in with a heavier hand, or you can also build up to make it a very, very intense look if that's what you'd like, or kind of how I did, a little bit of a softer look. You can easily do that as well. Today I mainly concentrated kind of on this end of the palette, and then so what we're going to do is we're going to do some swatches. It's not going to take very long, a little bit of palette, and then we are also going to do a couple looks. Like I said, I did this one today, and then I did this one a couple days ago, and we'll see them both here in a little bit. It does have three mattes, this one, and this one, and these are your two shimmers. Great inner corner lid. Love seeing that. Inner palettes. So the size of this is obviously quite a bit bigger than her minis. So this is a full size. You're getting full size of the shadows in a 5-pan palette that, like I said, retails for $48, giving one to one of you. Let's dive in to the swatches. I mean, just look how stunning they are. It's going to be great. I think you could use like with a lighter hand this summer, or if you're going to a wedding, but the colors would be perfect for the fall and winter as well. So let's get into the two different looks that I created for you. So I think I'm going to go for kind of a burgundy look, mainly concentrating on this end of the palette here. I'll probably do this as a crease and outer corner build up. I'm going to stay away from this shade right now because we'll heavily incorporate that in our next look. Actually, I changed my mind. We're going to use this as a crease shade instead of this one. Let's just start with that. Knock off any excess. Kind of build up that outer corner and that crease. little bit above it to blend that out. And take a little bit of that underneath. Now what I want to do is kind of take a combination of these two, just kind of go back and forth. And I'm kind of like going to put a light wash of color kind of all over the lid. And it's really going to help blend everything together here in a little bit. Especially get up here. Now with my finger, I am going to take this one all over the lid. Just do a little tap, tap, tap. I do kind of want to build up that outer corner just a little bit more. Give it a little bit of depth. I do want to take a little bit of this where my finger couldn't reach into the very inner corner and the lower lash, so just a little bit. Kind of brighten that whole area up a little bit. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I'm thinking today about something kind of more on the glam side, kind of using basically these three shades of the palette. I say that, and then the first thing I'm going to do is go in and use this as a transition shade. Actually, I take that back. Let's use this. We'll use our crease first, and then we'll go into our transition. It'll just kind of help us with the blending. So just going in here. Just very lightly start off putting it in and a little bit above. I'm also going to take this shade in the outer corner. Then I just kind of want to buff that out just a little bit. Small circular strokes. Leave my hand at the end of the brush. And always up and out. Now let's take this one just on top of that, just a little bit. Like I said, it automatically helps with the blend of blending the two shades together. And a little bit underneath. While we're at it, let's do tightline this darker shade here on the lower lash waterline. Really concentrate on the outer corner, connecting it to the upper. I'm going to go back into this just a little bit right underneath it. Just to soften that a little. I'm going to take a little bit of this one on that outer corner. I have gone ahead and wetted my brush. And I'm just tapping that in. Kind of on the outer 2/3. And now let's take this one on the inner third. And I am going to take just a tiny bit more of this on the lower lash inner corner and that kind of tear duct area. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Secret word is June. So which of those two looks was your favorite? I think this was mine for sure. What did you guys think? Let me know. Like I said, I absolutely love this formula. It lasts all day. These shimmers are just amazing, and the buildability of the mattes are great. I absolutely love the Natasha Denona formula. The description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the Google form once, but you can mark on it if you did those bonus entries, and there's 3 extra ways you can get bonus entries. One, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And your third way is if you share this video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. We're almost at that 1,700 subscriber, and we'll do a giveaway for that. And I have a big one with a major palette, in it, that I've started setting stuff aside for when we hit that 2,000 subscribers, so help us get there. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through July 8th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on July 13th, what I'll do is I'll check to make sure everybody's done what they were supposed to do. If they did, I'll take the first name, first initial of the last name, and if they have bonus entries, I'll put that all into the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks it, so don't ask to win. And then we will announce all of those winners on the July 13th. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very, very important to me. I take that very seriously. I do not sell your information. I do not create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that, and I'm the only one who has access to that information. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really does help out the channel. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.